The mechanical heart of the city never sleeps, its gears grinding in a symphony of progress. Amidst the ceaseless innovation, a lone inventor toils in his workshop, chasing a breakthrough. His journal, bound in leather and etched with intricate designs, is his confidant and record of his mechanical odyssey. A sudden tremor shakes the city, a disruption in the delicate balance of its clockwork heart. Professor Windermere, jolted from his work, races to his window, his face etched with concern. He suspects a sabotage, a deliberate attack on the city's intricate infrastructure. Consulting his journal, he seeks clues, deciphering cryptic entries and forgotten schematics. He uncovers a plot by a shadowy organization known as the Gearbreakers, determined to dismantle the city's reliance on mechanical technology. Their leader, a mysterious figure known only as the Wrench, seeks to plunge the world into a new age of darkness. Professor Windermere knows he must act quickly, using his inventions to thwart the Gearbreakers' sinister plot. He activates his latest creation, a steam-powered exoskeleton designed for agility and strength. Donning the exoskeleton, he transforms into a formidable force, ready to face the Gearbreakers head-on. He confronts a group of Gearbreakers sabotaging a vital power station, sparks flying as metal clashes against metal. The Wrench appears, a shadowy figure wielding a massive wrench as a weapon. A fierce duel ensues, the exoskeleton clashing against the Wrench's brutal attacks, gears grinding and steam hissing. Professor Windermere uses his intellect to outsmart the Wrench, exploiting a weakness in their mechanical weapon. With a precise strike, he disables the Wrench's weapon, leaving them vulnerable. The Gearbreakers scatter, their plot foiled by the Professor's ingenuity and courage. Professor Windermere, weary but victorious, returns to his workshop, his journal filled with new insights and discoveries. The city, though scarred, stands resilient, a testament to the enduring power of ingenuity and collaboration.